The sun rises over Makkah. The Kaaba stands silent, as an army approaches, not with vengeance, but with the promise of peace. The Quraysh watch with fear as the gates open. The messenger's army enters, not to destroy, but to heal old wounds. Men and women gather before the Kaaba, their hearts heavy with guilt, awaiting judgment for years of hostility. The people hold their breath. Will it be punishment? Will it be revenge? The silence of Makkah is louder than words. The Prophet asks, "What do you think I will do to you today?" A trembling voice replies, "We expect only goodness from you." Then, with words that echo through history, he declares, "Go, for you are free." Mercy over revenge. Forgiveness over hate. Faces once filled with fear soften into tears of relief. Enemies become brothers, hearts released from the chains of the past. A sword lies in the sand. No blood is spilled. Instead, forgiveness flows, stronger than any weapon. The people of Makkah, once divided by pride and war, now stand united in peace beneath the shadow of the Kaaba. This was not just a conquest of a city, it was a conquest of hearts. A timeless lesson: true greatness lies in mercy.